Welcome to Turbo Tribe. Wow! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic SUVs ever made, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63. This isn't merely a vehicle, it represents a remarkable fusion of advanced engineering and exquisite design, embodying the pinnacle of luxury while delivering astonishing power. With its muscular stance, distinctive silhouette, and a blend of ruggedness and refinement, the G63 commands attention both on and off the road. Under the hood, it boasts a formidable twin-turbocharged V8 engine, providing exhilarating acceleration and an unmistakable exhaust note that enthusiasts crave. The interior is a sanctuary of opulence, featuring premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and a spacious layout that ensures comfort for all passengers. Advanced infotainment and driver assistance systems enhance the driving experience, making it as enjoyable in the city as it is in the wild. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 isn't just about performance, it's a statement of style and sophistication, perfect for those who desire nothing but the finest. Whether you are navigating urban streets or tackling rugged terrains, the G63 seamlessly blends capability with class, making it a true masterpiece in the world of luxury SUVs. At first glance, the G63 immediately captures attention with its striking presence on the road. Its iconic, boxy silhouette pays homage to its long-standing heritage while seamlessly integrating contemporary elements that elevate its overall appeal. The front features an aggressive AMG-specific grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that add an air of sophistication. The vehicle stands tall on imposing 22-inch wheels, which not only enhance its commanding stance but also contribute to its performance capabilities. Beyond being merely an SUV, the G63 is a powerful statement of luxury and style, reflecting a lifestyle that values boldness and refinement. Its robust design elements and high-end finishes make it clear that this vehicle is built for those who desire to stand out in every setting. As you step inside the G63, you are immediately enveloped in an atmosphere of opulence and sophistication. The first thing that catches your eye is the sumptuous premium leather upholstery that adorns the seats, offering both style and unparalleled comfort. The spacious cabin features not one, but two impressive 12.3-inch displays that seamlessly integrate advanced technology, providing a stunning visual experience for both the driver and passengers. The ambient lighting creates a warm and inviting ambience, enhancing the luxurious feel of the interior as it elegantly shifts to set the mood for any journey. With its impeccable craftsmanship and attention to detail, the G63 truly redefines the concept of comfort, transforming every drive into an experience akin to enjoying a 5-star lounge on wheels. Whether you are navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, this meticulously designed space offers an unparalleled sense of relaxation and elegance. When it comes to performance, the G63 truly stands out. It is powered by a meticulously handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 Biturbo engine that produces an impressive 577 horsepower, showcasing the perfect blend of power and engineering excellence. This formidable engine enables the G63 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a remarkable 3.9 seconds, demonstrating its thrilling capability on both asphalt and rugged terrain. Moreover, the G63 is equipped with advanced off-road modes that enhance its versatility, allowing it to tackle challenging rocky trails with ease and confidence. Whether navigating steep inclines or cruising down the freeway, this vehicle combines luxury and performance, making it an unparalleled choice for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort. The G63 delivers an exceptional driving experience that goes beyond mere performance. It engages with intelligent technology. At the heart of this experience is the advanced MBUX infotainment system, which seamlessly integrates cutting-edge artificial intelligence to keep you effortlessly connected. Whether you are navigating through city streets or enjoying a long road trip, the system provides intuitive voice control, real-time traffic updates, and personalized content to suit your preferences. To elevate your auditory experience, the G63 features a state-of-the-art Burmester sound system. This premium audio setup transforms every journey into a concert hall, delivering crystal-clear sound quality that immerses you in music like never before. Safety is paramount in the G63, with a suite of advanced features designed to enhance your confidence on the road. The adaptive cruise control maintains your desired speed while adjusting to traffic conditions, ensuring a smooth drive. Meanwhile, lane assist technology helps you stay centered in your lane, adding an extra layer of reassurance during your travels. With these innovative safety systems in place, you can enjoy the journey, knowing you are in good hands throughout every adventure. Driving the G63 is an unparalleled experience that stands out in the realm of luxury vehicles. Its smoothness is remarkable, allowing for a serene and comfortable ride when you seek tranquility on the road. Yet, when the situation calls for power and assertiveness, this beast transforms into an aggressive powerhouse, ready to tackle any challenge with confidence. With a range of customizable driving modes at your fingertips, you can fine-tune every aspect of your driving experience, seamlessly adjusting the vehicle's performance to perfectly align with your mood and driving conditions. Whether you want a laid-back cruise or an exhilarating adventure, the G63 adapts to meet your every desire. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 transcends the boundaries of a typical SUV. It embodies a lifestyle characterized by unparalleled performance, sophisticated design, and supreme luxury. This remarkable vehicle features a powerful engine that delivers exhilarating acceleration and exceptional handling, making every drive an unforgettable experience. With its iconic boxy silhouette and meticulously crafted interior, the G63 stands out on the road and provides an atmosphere of refinement and comfort for all passengers. It's the ideal choice for those who expect nothing but the finest in all facets of life, whether conquering rugged terrains or cruising through city streets. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to Turbo Tribe Wow for more automotive insights, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on the G63 in the comments below.